Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. These are honestly perfection. I cannot believe I'm saying this. I've rarely come across a product so perfect. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it's crease-proof, it's long wear, it's literally perfection. It doesn't matter whether you're a pro makeup artist or you're just pretending to be a pro in your bedroom or at home, or you just really like makeup. These are seriously just so easy to use. They are the newest addition and launch at Makeup by Mario. They are the Master Matte Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow, and that's exactly what they are. They are matte but not flat. They are not creasing. Super long wear. They are so light on the skin. You don't even feel like you're not wearing any makeup. It doesn't peel, it doesn't get muddy, it doesn't tug. Honestly, I have been playing with them for quite a bit now because I really wanted to test the product before coming here and giving you an honest review. And I have been blown away. They are so easy to use. You can use it as a base for your eyeshadow. So this can be a base, you can layer them, you can wear just one color, and it really gets you that elevated look. If you like to have, you know, that je ne sais quoi, that very feminine, effortless, but yet you look very polished and put together, these are exactly what you need. I like how you can layer them as well, and it doesn't turn muddy, which is quite surprising for a product that is a good coverage. It's a medium to a full coverage cream eyeshadow. I'm just wow. So obviously I've done pretty much all of my makeup, and also I picked up his the Makeup by Mario latest bronzer, the blurring bronzer that I've tried already, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna put it on as well. So I picked up 9 shade out of 10 because I didn't pick up the black one just because I didn't see the need of having a black cream eyeshadow. Maybe it works for you, but I have the 9 other shades. You have warm tones, cool tones, and they're just beautiful. So I'm going to swatch all 9 shades that I have and then create a look for you guys to see how it actually applies. All right, let's go and swatch them. I'm going to start with Sandstone. So the applicator is, it looks like it's a concealer applicator. Very easy to use. You can use it just as a pointy tip like this. If you want to have just a smaller area, you can use it flat to cover a little bit more of a bigger area. And I'm going to try and apply all of them on the back of my hand so you can see and compare. And once they dry, they don't move, but they come out with makeup remover really easily. But they don't move as you go throughout the day. Even if you have a bit of an oily eyelid, it's not gonna move. So this is shade Sandstone. How beautiful is this? Then we have Bisque. This one is great as a base or just to add some luminosity. This is beautiful. Then we have Mauve. That is a big favorite. If you have a cool tone skin, you're gonna love this one. Look at how nice this is. Then we have Chestnut, a little bit warmer and a little bit darker as well. And look at how bold and pigmented they are. They're just stunning. And then we have Blush, nice muted pink, just gorgeous. Then we have Taupe. And then I have Sienna. It's funny, there's a little girl in the swimming classes for the toddlers. Her name is Sienna. Such a beautiful name. So this is Sienna, really nice, warm tone. This is perfect for fall. Oh, then Slate is that iconic blue that I absolutely love at Makeup by Mario. And these are obviously inspired by the Master Matte Eyeshadow Palette that you can layer them and create some amazing looks. So this is Slate, and then the last one is Espresso. So a rich brown, gorgeous. So obviously these shades are a little bit darker. But look at how nice. They're completely matte. They are very pigmented. They are bold. They're crease-proof, long wear. Honestly, it's everything you would wish and want for a cream eyeshadow. And so easy to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look on me. And I'm gonna start with this shade here. And maybe I can show you. Once they are dry, like nothing moves. It's there, nothing moves. It is amazing, guys. Right, so let's get started. I do need a mirror. So I'm starting with shade Bisque as my base, and I'm just gonna come like this. Got a flat brush. This is from Spectrum collection with KGH. And even if you have a more mature skin, you have fine lines, it's going to work on you. They are honestly crease proof, like I have rarely seen for a cream eyeshadow. Look at this, like look how easy it was. I've literally just smudged it and that is it. And it just brings a lot of brightness. It is the perfect shade as your base. Now I'm going to use the shade Mauve to add on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna go here. Obviously I don't want to add too much. I'm gonna take a different brush, a bigger brush. This is also Spectrum with KGH. And see how it just blends in effortlessly. That's it. Like there is no patch, there's no peel, there's no muddy, wet little weird thing. I do, however, have to mention, if you let it sit and if you don't place it where you want, it dries fairly quickly. So you do have to be a little bit, you know, you gotta be ready to place it and make sure that it dries a little bit quick. So what I'm saying is just be sure that where you place it, that's where you want your cream eyeshadow, because it does dry it and it sets. Now I'm going to add the taupe shade. So this shade here, I'm gonna place in the crease. So I'm gonna take a different brush. This is the Precision Crease brush from Sephora. And obviously I don't wanna add too much. So you're better off to go smaller. And then add some more. See how it just blends in so easily. I'm gonna take the same shade and come here under. This is the eye look done. You saw how easy it was to apply. It just blends with all the other shades so effortlessly. However, small disclaimer, and that's because I always pride myself on being honest with you. If you are taking too much your time to place the cream eyeshadow and to blend it, it will set completely wherever you've placed it. So I think it does take a little bit of a practice to really play and get the product to where you want it to be. But once you nail that down, that execution, and it comes down to the type of brush that you're using. Once you get that nailed down and sorted, it's going to give you the most beautiful and effortless look. I think it's that kind of minimalistic, elegant, elevated look that we all really, really like. I mean, what's there not to like? How beautiful is this? I have added a fine line of brown liquid eyeliner, the Dior obviously, because that's the only one I'm using at the moment. And my mascara is the Lash Clash from YSL, because I am trying just to use all the product that I have as much as possible before I go and buy some more. So yeah, I'm I'm trying to make a conscious effort of using whatever I have in the makeup studio. Right, let's play a little bit with the Makeup by Mario bronzer. This is Soft Sculpt Blurring Bronzer. I picked up the shade Medium, and I have to say I'm a little bit surprised because I thought it was going to be quite dark, but actually I'm happy I picked up shade Medium because it is not that dark. This is how it looks like. It's completely matte. I absolutely love the Soft Sculpt collection at Makeup by Mario. I also have the Transforming Skin from that same collection that is beautiful. It's kind of that finishing powder that you just apply on top. Beautiful. So this is a proper powdery, airy, powdery formula. It is not like the Dior where you have that creamy, packed with hyaluronic acid. This is completely different, but look how nicely it warms up the skin. And it does an incredible job at blurring. So my foundation is medium coverage. It is the Guerlain Terracotta Le Teint. This is the original one, and I'm almost finished with it. I'm quite proud of me. I'm trying, as I was mentioning, really trying to just use what I have, finish as many products as I can. But it is a medium coverage because we can see the little spots that I have here and here. So it's not the makeup being patchy, it is really just the spots coming through. Look at this bronzer. Look at how nicely it warms up the skin, but it does an amazing job at blurring. It is honestly no joke. So like this and then like this. And I had blush already. It is the Westman Atelier, the duo blushes. And I've used today the shade Suede and Sable. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lipstick. Have you guys seen Dior has already released the Miss Dior collection for fall? Obviously, I've ordered mine, so I'm going to do a full review soon. But I feel like it's really early in the year. We're literally mid-July, and that's the collection for fall. I don't know, I feel like every year it's coming earlier and earlier in the year, and it's not like fall comes earlier. Like it's always, I don't know, I feel like we barely used our summer makeup that we're already moving into fall. I don't know. So I'm waiting to get my order and I will do a full review. So I'm really excited though. I am quite excited about it, I have to say. So I'm gonna use my Dior Contour Lip Contour, and it's shade Beige Tulle 310. And I'm gonna use this. It's a really nice shade actually. And the lipstick I'm using for today is the NARS, the new explicit lipstick, and it's shade Liaison 821. As usual, all the makeup product I'm using for today will be down below in the description. I feel like I've not used this lipstick in quite some time. I've done a massive decluttering in my clothes as well. I've given away 2 full black bin bags, like the big bin bags. I just feel like it makes me feel good, and not because I want to buy some more, just because we accumulate so many things that we don't realize, and we really just don't use it. So I have to do the same with the makeup. And I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter to finish the look, because otherwise it wouldn't be me. I feel like my middle name is highlighter. So I'm using the highlighter from Dior. This was the Christmas holiday collection, and it is the Hors Lumière. Obviously that was a limited edition, but I know a lot of you have it at home. And this is just a reminder to use the product that you have. And I like how it is a very soft highlighter. It's not, there's no chunk of glitter in it. It's just a really nice shade. some on the bridge of the nose. Oops. Just like this. Here, here, and then just a little bit here. Voila, that is the look for today. How elegant is it? I feel like I'm going through a little bit of a more mature makeup. I don't know how to explain it. I think I quite like that elevated makeup look. Maybe it's an age thing, or I don't know, I feel like my makeup is evolving, and I'm sure it's the same with you guys. Even though I quite like pop of colors, a bright red, a bright pink, and pink on my eyes and blue, I really love how my makeup is looking at the moment. That kind of elevated a little bit more. I don't know. Curious to hear, what do you guys think? How do you evolve with your, like, how are you growing into your makeup? I'm sure I'm not the only one to have that reflection when you look back at pictures of you and like of 5 years ago, 2 years ago, maybe 10 years ago. I'm sure it's completely different. Obviously what's now trending was not what was trending back then. Like, remember when you used to have concealers on your lips and like crazy stuff. Anyway, so that is it for today's look. Honestly guys, if you were hesitating for these cream eyeshadow, if it's on your wish list, if it's in your budget, and if you're keen on them, don't sleep on them. They are beautiful, perfection. They are effortlessly elegant and beautiful, and they stay in place. I mean, look at this. There's not a muddy patch, that nothing has crease, no peeling, no tugging, not just the good stuff. I didn't put any eyeshadow primer or no base. There's no need for it. I just think they are perfect little cream eyeshadow. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know down below in the comments. Question, suggestion, anything. Don't be shy. Put it down there. If you have a question, chances are someone else has the same question as you. So don't hesitate. Otherwise, a big thanks for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. A big thanks for watching. Bye guys.